Come on! Come on! This is supposed to be for 4 to 10-year-olds, and I'm up here, and then, come on! You got me 20 years old up in this thing. Come on! Let's go down the side. Adrian, come on. Give me a hand. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Oh. Go up this one. 1, 2, 3, up. Up. Okay, go downside. Go downside. You're gonna go down backwards. Sit down. Ready? Go. Go downside. That's the coolest thing ever. Oh my God. I dropped my phone down the side, and it was recording while I went down. That's a really cool video that you guys just flying down the side. No, no more. I can't look that no more. No more. No more. No.